The Ximoon 1043 Humidifier Wick Filter is designed to fit a wide range of AIRCARE and Bemis console units, making it a convenient option if you have multiple compatible machines at home. Its multi-layer paper construction uses many individual sections of filter media to soak up water efficiently and release a steady, comfortable level of moisture into the air. In day-to-day use, these wicks noticeably improve humidity in dry rooms, which can make breathing easier and help protect wood furniture from cracking. The filter material is sturdy enough to be rinsed and reused a few times, so you can extend its life before needing a full replacement. Installation is straightforward because the pads drop into place without tools, so swapping them during regular maintenance takes only a few minutes. When paired with good quality water and replaced on a sensible schedule, the Ximoon 1043 filters offer reliable performance that keeps large evaporative humidifiers running smoothly through the dry season.